King Alaric ruled over Lysander during the Golden Age. Art, culture and trade flourished under his reign. The capital city grew with magnificent temples and libraries. Scholars traveled to Lysander to study with great thinkers. The city became a melting pot of ideas and innovation. Alaric was deeply interested in the arts and commissioned great works. He established schools and centers for learning across the kingdom. Education became accessible, ensuring knowledge was passed down. Alaric's most lasting legacy was the Alaric Code of Laws. The Alaric Code promoted fairness, justice, and basic rights for all. Under the Alaric Code, slavery was abolished and land reforms enacted. A system of fair trials and courts was established in the kingdom. Other kingdoms began to model their legal frameworks after Alaric's. Lysander's influence grew and shaped the world beyond its borders. The Golden Age of Lysander left a lasting impact on generations to come. His first task was to rebuild the kingdom after years of warfare. The cities and farmlands had been ravaged by conflict, and many of his people were weary. However, Alaric did not rush into decisions. Instead, he took time to travel through his kingdom, visiting villages, towns, and far-flung regions to understand the concerns of his people firsthand. His journeys allowed him to build a deep connection with his subjects, who soon came to see him not just as a king but as a protector. Alaric's first major act was to institute a series of reforms aimed at strengthening the economy. He reorganized the kingdom's military to focus on defense rather than expansion and established a new form of taxation that was more equitable. His goal was not just to accumulate wealth, but to ensure that it flowed more evenly throughout the kingdom. These reforms earned him the loyalty of the common people, who began to see him as a ruler who prioritized their welfare over his own. The next obstacle came from the neighboring kingdoms. For years, Lysander had been engaged in bitter rivalries with the kingdoms of Argoth and Delmar. Both of these kingdoms had large armies and coveted the resources of Lysander's rich lands. This dark chapter in Alaric's life left him more cautious, but also more resolute. He had learned that trust, while important, could be fragile, and that true strength lay not in the sword, but in the unity of the people. As he grew older, King Alaric passed his wisdom down to his children, preparing them to rule with the same grace and justice that he had. The legacy of King Alaric ruled for over 50 years, and upon his death, his kingdom mourned deeply. Lysander had become a model of prosperity, peace, and justice, a shining example of what could be achieved when a king truly cared for his people. His son, Prince Alden, succeeded him, but his reign was always overshadowed by the greatness of his father's rule. Even centuries after his death, the legacy of King Alaric lived on. The Alaric Code continued to be studied and adopted in many kingdoms. The architectural wonders he commissioned remained, and the stories of his wisdom, courage, and fair judgment were passed down through the ages. In the end, King Alaric became more than a ruler. He became a symbol of the highest ideals of kingship.